Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to manage your orders and add a tracking code. As always, we need to access the back end of our website by logging in. Once your screen has loaded, go to Demo and click on Orders. So here you'll see an overview of all of your orders. You can check out order details like order number and customer name, date of purchase, order status, billing address, shipping address, purchase total, and actions. You can edit what you want to see in the columns by going to Screen Options and selecting or deselecting your preferences, and also customize the number of orders you want to see per page. You can arrange your orders by ascending or descending by either clicking on Order, Date, or Total. You're also able to filter the orders by date or registered customer name. The page has a preview feature where you can quickly glimpse through the order details by clicking on this eye. However, if you wanted to edit those details, simply click on the order number and name. Here's where you can edit the pre-existing order, add in a new order, and adding a tracking code. So let's add a tracking code for this order by going to Shipment Tracking. Click on Add Tracking Number. It will show you these input fields to fill up. So we'll leave the provider as Custom Provider. And then we'll type the provider's name like DHL or Postlaju. I'll type Postlaju. For tracking number, I'll just put a random number for the example. I'll type EN1234567MY. Here you can add in the Postlaju tracking website if your provider is Postlaju. And you can edit the date of when the product was shipped. Once you're done, click Save Tracking. Let's go back to orders and see if it added the code. There it is! Once the tracking code has been added, the backend system will automatically send an email to notify customers about their tracking number. So that is all for today's tutorial. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!